You are going to love the 2026 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.